Well, good morning. It's January 10th, 2020. Today's an important day. I've had my coffee, I've had my oatmeal, and I've taken my vitamin I. Today, we go up to Harper's Ferry. GoPro, stop recording. Well, it's January 10th, 2020. Today's an important day. I've had my coffee, my oatmeal, and I've taken my vitamin I. But today we go up to the Maryland side of Harper's Ferry. So here we are at Penny's Diner. It's got 2 stars on Yelp. It's time for the second breakfast. Meeting my brother-in-law Robin. 2 of us will drive up, drop my car, and then he'll take me to the Maryland side of Harper's Ferry, where I'll start today's trek. So here we are at Gapland State Park. This is where we drop the cars. As you can see, there's a little bit of snow on the ground here. Quite scenic. Hopefully coming from the south, I can find this place. Well, here we go. This is where I'll end up today. This is where I'll stop. Pretty historical and extensive place up here. So here we are, Harper's Ferry, Maryland side. Not too much to see over at Harper's Ferry right now, but you can probably see the bridge behind me. This is what I would have crossed if the bridge wasn't out. So right now, I got to do 2 miles down the C&O Canal, then it's going to split with the AT, and then 8 miles up to Gapland. And I got to do that in 5 hours, because in 5 hours it's going to be dark. So not too much goofing around today. May have to eat lunch on the way until I make sure I can get there on time. So here we go. Riverton Cliffs. Well, we made it back. Learned a lot today. Probably the biggest thing I learned was